Flower allergies. Yeah, seriously. Can you believe it? Sometimes I wonder why I, of all living things, have to be allergic to flowers. To flowers! But you know what they say, you can't help who you're planted next to.